Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit image in Foxit PDF Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first thing what we want to do is open up that image you'd like to edit. So I've just got this image of this woman. Then from here we want to go ahead and click onto edit, and then under edit we've got these different tabs. Click onto edit object and then click onto image. Now to the right, we've got some format here, so we can arrange this image by page center, alignment, distribute, rotate, Z order. We've also got clipping, opacity, we've got share. We can edit using other applications as well. Now another thing what we can do is right click on the image as well, click onto edit object, and then we can put a brush, got paint bucket, we've got burn, we've got filters, we've got eyes, we've got all this different stuff we can use to help us edit this image here. So if I want to paint some stuff here, I can change the fill, the flow, etc. So yeah, you can muck around all the different settings inside of